Hello guys and welcome to Motor Evos. Today I am reviewing this scooter Suzuki Ignis 125. So this scooter is really very sporty in terms of looks. At front we get full LED setup. Sadly turn indicators are halogen. This windshield is only for show purpose. This matte grey color given in between really grabs the attention. This scooter is really very nice and sportier in terms of looks. MotoGP stickering over there. And Ride Connect Edition means you can connect Bluetooth to your scooter and get updates like calls, messages and navigation and many more things. Suzuki sticker over here, Ignis stickering badging over here, SCP written over here. This scooter really grabs the attention and is really very sportier in terms of looks. From rear, this is how this looks. We get two LED tail lamp and sadly turn indicators are halogen, but these are inspired from bike. Exhaust is really big but it really sounds very smooth. This is how the scooter looks, really very nice. Fit and finish of the scooter is also very nice. Switches are really very nice, no any quality issues. This is how the instrument cluster looks. Let me show you this scooter once again. We get alloy wheels in black. It really looks good. It's like Access, I think so, and a reflector over here. So this is how the scooter starts. Let me show you. This scooter has kill switch, which is really very nice. You need to also press front brake for starting the scooter. Oh sorry, you also need to keep stand up, so if your stand is on floor it won't start. You need to remove your stand and then it will start. The exhaust of this scooter is really very smooth. It's really very smooth. So not wasting time, I will first show you the fuel lid, because it's really very easy to access, no any issues. So this is how the tail lamp looks, really very beautiful, and these are very nicely designed because it comes from motorcycle, and you also get a lamp for your number plate. It's really very nice in terms of looks. So this is how the scooter looks. The dashboard of the scooter is really very nice. Instrument cluster is very mini and really very informative. So this is how the scooter looks from rear. So let me show you the boot space of this scooter. It's really very decent enough. The boot space of this scooter is really very big and you can carry many things in it. You also get small boxes over here to carry some sort of phones and small things, small accessories like your goggles and many more things. Key of the scooter is same as Access. It's like very simple, nothing. You get a lock for protecting your scooter from thieves. Suzuki stickering over here, badge over here. It's really very nice. So not wasting time, let's ride this scooter. So firstly I would like to talk about handling of the scooter. Handling of the scooter is really very good. It provides you good confidence and feedback while riding. Power of the scooter is around 8.7 PS of power and 10 Nm of torque, which is really very nice. Instrument cluster provides you good information like speedometer, fuel gauge, timing and many more if you connect it to Bluetooth. If you connect it to Bluetooth, it will give you information like your phone battery, navigation. If you want to see directions, you can on your maps on phone and it will show you on this scooter. Also call reminders, messages and many more things. It's really very smart scooter. Windshield is only for show purpose because we don't need any windshield for scooter, because scooters are only made for telecommuting, not highway rides. Mirrors are really very good. They provide you good view what's coming at your back. Suspension is stiff but it does the work. Engine refinement is really very nice. Suzuki does great job while engine refinement. It's really very smooth and comfortable while riding. Sitting posture is also very comfortable. It's very upright. So this scooter is overall packed because you get looks, power and features as well. This scooter is really very smart scooter because you have Bluetooth in it. As per me, this scooter is really very nice. Mirrors have a good quality. They provide you good view what's coming at your back, as I told before. Power is also decent. Comparing with Access, it has slightly more power. Like Access has power around 8.6, this has power around 8.7. Not much difference. This windshield really looks very cute, but as I told, scooters don't need any windshield. So this scooter has this windshield only for show purpose and it really looks very good. I would like to thank Udon Suzuki for providing this scooter for review purpose. I will add contact details of Udon Suzuki in description. You can contact them. So suspension of this scooter is stiff but it's really very comfortable to ride this scooter. No vibes, engine is really super refined. Really super refined. For this particular scooter, the wire of speedometer is disconnected because it's new scooter. You can also get a eco mode which is not off or on. It's on or scooter. It will turn it on when you ride it comfortable. It will turn it off when you ride it hard. Like whenever I accelerate it will turn it off, and whenever I go slow it will turn on. It will provide you good mileage if you ride in eco mode. Headlight is also good. I will show you the headlight quality. As it's day, you cannot imagine how the headlight is, but it's really good. Handling is also really very nice. I am happy with this scooter. You can definitely buy this scooter if you are planning to buy this scooter. It's really nice. I have no issues from this scooter, no vibes, nothing. Engine is super refined. So thanks for watching this video. For whatsoever reason you like this video, I would like to tell you, please subscribe. We need your support. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.